Are you ready to be amazed? Experience the terrifying sight of chainsaws slicing through towering trees, accompanied by the deafening roar of machinery in action. Hang on tight, you won't want to miss this epic adventure. It was amazing to see the John Deere carrying timbers through the deep flood waters without any problems. Ever wonder how it makes lumber look like paper? This circle sawmill will answer your questions. It doesn't just cut wood, it glides through it with razor-sharp precision. High-speed blades spin like a master chef's knife, leaving behind flawless, crisp edges. Ever thought splitting wood could be this satisfying? The ultimate 220-volt homemade wood splitter. This powerhouse tackles logs like a champ, turning tough work into a breeze. It's built to make your do-it-yourself wood splitting easier than ever. Need to conquer stubborn stumps. The Stump Shear 1270 is your ultimate solution, ripping through roots like they're butter. With its powerful jaws and precision cutting, this machine turns heavy-duty work into child's play. You won't believe your eyes when the Senebogen 718E series, the lumberjack's secret weapon equipped with the Woody H61. It slices through trees faster than a pizza cutter at a buffet. Holy moly. Witnessing that massive cedar tree fall showcases the power and precision of cutting, proving that even the mightiest trees can't stand a chance. Have you ever seen a chainsaw with a V8 engine? A hot V8 powered chainsaw with raw horsepower that can echo through the woods. This monster makes life easier for the workers. Are you curious how this guy turns entire trees into mulch in seconds? It is the wood-chipping beast that chews through logs like their breakfast cereal. With its power-packed performance, it's ready to handle anything the forest throws its way. The Logosol Farmers M8 and Steel M's 391. These machines make cutting wood look easier. Ever wondered how they turn mighty trees into manageable planks faster? Watch the magic happen. Are you ready to conquer the woods? The classic Paul Bunyan wood chipper embodies the spirit of the legendary lumberjack. Effortlessly chipping wood into chunks will make you surprised.
Just takes a lot of the out of it. It always hits. Stuck in the wood, like with giving it even more momentum to split.
Oh God, Hope that tree didn't have too much weight in its conscience. Poor this guy and his house. The Logset 8H hybrid is like the superhero of tree harvesters powered by both electricity and diesel. It's eco-friendly without sacrificing muscle. With its hybrid engine, this machine tackles the forest with unmatched precision. Looking to turn logs into firewood with ease, the Halverson firewood processor's got you covered. This clever machine slices, dices, and splits wood like a pro. Who knew firewood processing could be this smooth? Ready to see it in action? The handsaw cutting logs is no joke. This timeless marvel slices through wood with the rhythm of a master craftsman's hands. Ever wondered why this simple tool has stuck around for centuries? It's all about precision, control, and raw human power. And now is the Case KX 130C excavator, the lumberjack of heavy forestry machinery. With its hydraulic saw, it chews through timber like a kid with a cookie. Just remember, when the Case CX 130C shows up, even the biggest logs start sweating.